Hey, welcome to The Explainer. We're going to break down the laws that protect you when buying a home.
Getting a mortgage feels like drowning in acronyms, right? Well, these laws are actually your shield.
So here's our game plan. We'll hit the big laws, what they mean, and how they all fit together.
Okay, so these are the big three. Each one has a very specific job to protect you, the consumer.
First up, TILA. Just think of it as the price tag law. It's all about showing you the real cost.
Now, this is super important. Don't just look at the interest rate. Always compare loans using the APR.
TILA also keeps ads in check. See specific numbers like these, the ad has to spill all the details.
But watch out. Vague stuff like low down payment doesn't trigger that same full disclosure. All right, let's talk RISPA. This is the anti-kickback law, plain and simple. No shady referral payments. The key here is Section 8, and a thing of value isn't just cash. It could be anything, really. Now, there is one exception. An affiliated business is okay, but only if they meet these three strict rules. Next up, ECOA. You can think of this as the fair play law. Everyone gets an equal shot. And here you can see how ECO's protections are a bit different from the Fair Housing Act's protections. Here's the bottom line. A lender has to consider all your legit income, like alimony or child support. So, in 2015, things got simpler. A rule called TRID combined these laws. Let's see how.
First, you get the loan estimate. It's your cheat sheet to compare offers, and it has to come fast.
Then, right before you sign, you get the closing disclosure. This gives you a mandatory 3 days to review.
So how does that 3-day window work? If you get your forms on a Friday, you can't close until Tuesday.
So what happens when these rules are broken? Well, it leads to two very different problems. The key difference is who the victim is. With fraud, the lender's the victim. With predatory lending, it's you. Okay, let's do a quick recap. These are the absolute must-knows for any homebuyer out there.
So now you know the rules of the game. And that knowledge, that's your power. You're ready.